This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door lock barrel. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and of course, your brand new lock barrel. Ensure the door is open and unlocked, giving you clear access to its edge. Now, carefully locate the single retaining screw on the side of the door, near the latch plate. This screw, often a Phillips head, holds the barrel in place and must be removed first. With your Phillips head screwdriver, completely remove the retaining screw you just located. Keep this safe, as you might reuse it. Next, insert your old key fully into the existing lock barrel. Gently turn the key about 25 degrees in either direction. This slight turn aligns the cam inside the barrel, allowing it to pass through the door mechanism. While holding the key in this position, slowly pull the key and barrel towards you. It should slide straight out of the door smoothly. Now take your new lock barrel and insert its corresponding new key. Turn the key about 25 degrees, just as you did with the old one. This action retracts the cam, preparing the barrel for insertion. Carefully align the cam with the opening in the door, ensuring a perfect fit. Gently push the new barrel straight into the door until it sits flush on both sides. Once fully inserted, reinsert the retaining screw into the side of the door. Tighten it firmly, but avoid over-tightening. With the new barrel firmly in place, it is time for the final checks. Close the door gently, but do not lock it yet. Use your new key to test the lock from both the outside and the inside. The key should turn smoothly, engaging and disengaging the lock mechanism without any resistance or catching. If you feel any sticking or difficulty, the retaining screw might be too tight or too loose. Adjust it slightly, a quarter turn at a time, until the lock operates perfectly. You have successfully changed your door lock barrel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.